Here, wait. You okay?
No, they're right there. They turned around.
You okay? You need to call some. We need to call somebody, or
Check yourself out, man.
you all right? Make sure you're okay.
First time I went on a ride since my last accident. So these guys were the ones that were parked in the middle of the street?
Yeah, I think I got it on video.